your body starts losing muscle surprisingly fast during inactivity. After about 10-14 days of complete inactivity, muscle strength and insulin sensitivity already begin to drop, but your body also has something called muscle memory. When you train again, your muscles regain lost size and strength much faster than the first time, because muscle cells keep many of the nuclei they gained from past training. That means, building muscle is hard, losing it is easier, rebuilding it is faster than starting from zero. Your body remembers the work you put in.